Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch into your DOOGEE S98. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find easy key option. Go into this option and here we got three options, so single click, double click, on long press. So for example, open single click option, here we got start recording, open flashing, screenshot, open underwater camera, open Zello, and we can open some application. Okay, maybe single click activate screenshot will be nice. Okay, go back, double click, go into this menu and let's try open some application. Maybe Google Chrome will be nice, so go back and long press, maybe some application too, maybe photos will be nice, so let's try. Single click, do screenshot, double click, open our Google Chrome, and long press, open our photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.